Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect NinjaTrader to IQFeed. So what you'll need to do is basically open this control panel and go to the connections. Right now you'll see configure button, so click on that one, and basically right here, if you scroll down, you'll see IQFeed. Now what you'll need to do is click on add button. Right here you can name your connection, so it will be easier for you later on. So right now I'll rename it to IQFeed connection. You can select to start and connect on startup. So I will make that. And right here, you'll need to put username and password of IQFeed or DTN IQ. So basically add these credentials and click apply and OK. And after that, you'll see right here in your connections that you will be able to select your IQFeed and use your connection. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.